Welcome back to Sketchup web series, which is specifically made for stage designers who want to make 3D stage designs super fast and free. In our last video, we put material on stage base. This time we will learn about tags and how they make us faster and organized. Let's dive in. So tags are like layers like other common softwares might have. So you will find the tag workspace from here. Let's open it. Let's start making some tags called stage. Let's make another called props. Let's open this workspace called entity info. Let's select the stage from here. So on the entity info, we can set the tag from here. Let's set the tag to stage because we have selected the stage. Now let's select the stairs. Let's hold shift and select another so that we can select both. Let's add the tag to stage props. So now let's check out stage and stage props. So whenever we don't need, we can just hide props or the stage maybe. So now we know how to make tags. Let's make some more. Let's add LED. Let's add sound. Let's add artists. Let's add height. So this is a group we can hide anything anywhere because we have turned this tag off. Now the fun part starts. Let's start with making LED blocks which are 25 inches. As said before, we're gonna stick to actual measurements. So P5 LED blocks are usually 25 inches, 25 inches. Let's extrude it maybe for 2 inches. Let's triple click and select the block. Let's press G to make it a component. We're gonna call it P5 LED block and we're gonna tag this to LED blocks. Let's press O for orbit. Let's turn it around. Let's press Q for selecting the rotation tool. Let's type 90 means for 90 degree and hit enter. We just have made our first LED block. Let's hit orbit and turn it around to see it better. Now check out carefully. This is gonna save your time. Let's move the LED block. Command or control to make a copy. Let's try to snap it to this point. We have 2 and let's hold shift and select both. Let's select the move tool. Let's try to move this to this area and press control to make a copy of them. Let's keep on duplicating. So we have 8 blocks. Let's select all of them. Let's duplicate them using the same trick again. So now we have 8 blocks. Let's select all of them. Now we're going to move them vertically. Hey, that's fun, right? Let's try to make a lot of LEDs because we can. Voila! We have a huge LED display now. Now the question is, do we really need this much LEDs or can we afford? Until now, we just made an artboard of LEDs. Now let's give it a purpose. Now let's try to make a unique looking stage as simply as possible. Let's zoom in. Let's select an array of LEDs we want to select. Let's delete them by pressing delete. Looks okay for us. Now let's make components with them so that we can move them easily. Let's select all of them and tag them to LED. Now let's select all of them including the stairs. Move them 4 feet away from back. So we have a space for installation team to work. Now, if you are scared like me seeing flying LEDs, let's put a logic behind them. Let's make them not flying. Let's press L to select the line tool. Let's draw a line from here We know that we are 3 blocks higher, means 75 inches. Let's just draw a line anywhere. Let's press escape to close the line. Let's start drawing the line from here into the blue axis, which is vertical. This we need 75 inches. So now we press escape to get out of the selection. Let's draw another line from here to here. The moment we close the gap, it fills up with a fill. Let's push it backward to 4 feet. Now we have a 4 feet box. Let's triple click the box. Press B for selecting the paint bucket. Let's press the black texture on this. Let's press G to make this component. We're gonna call it LED base. And the component stays stage, cause this is a part of our stage. Hey, the stage looks good, right? In this video, we will learn about free enormous bank of 3D models, which is called 3D Warehouse, right inside Sketchup WEB. To do that, let's click this icon here. So this opens this epic library of enormous bank made by user like you. Let's look for a DJ booth. This looks fine. Let's download this. Okay, let's place it somewhere here. Now we have a nice DJ booth. Let's select our DJ booth and add this to stage props. Okay, so at this state, we can just pull our side binders and make a composition. Let's pull it 4 feet. Let's select these two. Let's pull them 8 feet. So there you go. So let's make a composition out of them. Let's select this tag, hit Q for selecting the rotation. Let's click this point and let's move the mouse to the axis we want to select. Let's hit Q for rotation. Let's try to rotate this 30 degrees. That looks fine. Let's try to rotate this one as 30 degrees as well. Let's select this one. Let's rotate 30 degrees. So now let's take a look at what we did so far. Let's grab both of the stairs and pull them so that actual human can walk in. Let's pull them 12 feet. This looks okay. So did you see what I just did? I selected both the models and clicked anywhere on the stage and moved it to green axis. So I can use any point as my direction reference. So now we know how to add 3D models from 3D Warehouse for free. Let's add more of them. Let's go to 3D Warehouse. Let's type in PA system. Let's click for models. Let's add this one. Let's place this model somewhere here. Let's select the component. Let's try to move this component on the red axis and then press Ctrl to make a duplicate. Looks good. Let's select both of them. Let's tag them to sound system. In our next video, we will learn to put textures for our LED screens. In the meantime, hit a like, maybe subscribe as well.